From the highest peaks to the quietest shorelines, our planet tells a story, written in stone and water, whispered by winds, and painted by time itself. Mountains rise, seas retreat, and rivers carve their paths. This dance has been happening for millions of years. It's easy to forget that every shoreline once began high in the mountains. The melting snow feeds streams, the streams feed rivers, and the rivers greet the ocean with 1,000 stories carried from the heights. It's a cycle of life and rebirth, Earth's greatest masterpiece, unfolding every single day. The peaks stand as guardians of ancient secrets. They test us, humble us, and reward us with views that silence our thoughts and fill our hearts. From the Himalayas' sheer power to the quiet elegance of the Alps, mountains have been our temples, our refuges, our teachers. Up here, the air is thin, but the soul breathes deeper. We remember how small we are, and how vast the universe can feel when we stand at the edge of the sky. Eventually, every mountain yields to the ocean. Gravity pulls snowmelt downhill, carving valleys and canyons until land touches saltwater. This meeting is both violent and gentle, a collision of rock and wave, but also a caress that shapes coastlines over centuries. From rugged cliffs in Ireland to the tranquil beaches of the Pacific, the shore is where life gathers to rest, to dream, and to be reborn. Between peak and shore lies 1,000 worlds. Rivers sustain forests, forests shelter animals, people build homes along banks, and cultures grow in rhythm with nature's flow. Each drop of water connects us, mountain shepherds, coastal fishermen, and everyone in between. This journey across nature's masterpieces is not just about landscapes, but about life thriving in harmony with them. Beyond the famous peaks and tourist beaches are hidden treasures. Waterfalls that only locals know. Secret shorelines where turtles nest under moonlight. Coral reefs that mirror the colors of wildflower meadows high above. These wonders remind us that nature's beauty doesn't shout, it whispers to those who listen. In the rush of our daily lives, we forget how to stand still. Peaks remind us to look up. Shores remind us to let go. Together, they teach us balance, strength and surrender, stillness and flow. This is why we wander, not to escape life, but to find it waiting for us in the places where earth meets sky, and land meets sea. From peaks to shorelines, our planet invites us to witness its masterpieces, to protect them, and to carry their stories wherever we go. The journey is endless, and the adventure is always just beginning. Subscribe for more journeys through the wild and wonderful places of our living Earth. And remember, keep exploring.